Myntri Tnat housing jo kesorkar jela Marcuise Marak ulapan pau bakat kum kakai pot jo kitunum sop ye plus supply dak we ke company shipment kia hap kat kum kijing ptha jong technical officer hau benai bladem ke Tnat housing kelas dang ya kijing tokit Hadien kijing ujor jong ke nyau trap youth council ke blakeno balapan poi de kitin sop ye ki bestang baro ki CNRD block beper ha keleng ke jela Marak ulak kedau bakat Tnat minta kelajit yikitin kiba kambha kat kum kejing ajeng mut jong technical officer.
Feedback from the people also is very good. It's lasting more also. Therefore, we have procured this one. Since some NGOs have complained, especially HYC, immediately when I got the complaint letter, I immediately ordered for the inquiry. Departmental inquiry is already underway. And then they have gone to the Lok Ayukta also, and Lok Ayukta is also inquiring the matter. But hopefully things will come as per the thing. So far, I'm getting the reports from the department. Things are okay.
Myntri Tnat Puli Puthi